Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and in this episode, we're going to be talking about Helium. Well, Helium Pump more, basically. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe. You hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. Let me get the link to Discord. The Discord. You can go and join us there and have a mirror community going on. Pin the message. Just be at the top of the chat, right? You can find it there. Guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here, being part of this awesome community. I'll be posting here live in a second on Twitter and Twitch. I'm just waiting. Sorry, not Twitch. Twitter and Discord. I'm waiting for the thumbnail to come through. HNT killing it. I know. HNT's been doing great. HNT's been doing great, man. We'll talk about that. Your coin did good for a bit, and then it just went downhill. Prepare for worse. I hope you were able to take profits. The one you were getting into, Mimir or whatever. We're gonna actually look at that today. Let's get rolling. Let's get started. While the thumbnail comes in, so no point in delaying the show. Let's get to the stream or the screen where the magic happens. Here we go. Here we are. What is happening with crypto? By the way, it is Saturday. Cheers, guys. I hope you're having a great time. Hope your pockets are being loaded and you're doing great. So, what we're doing, bearish divergence, moving down. Look, finally hit the 20 today, right? We're looking for a hit of the 20. Yesterday we didn't have it. Today we got it right on today's candle. Already opening for Sunday, but look, came down, hit. Now we're going on the green. Has not been a super active weekend. It has. So far for Saturday, it's kind of been chill, which is fine. So going up a bit, not a lot. Nothing happening here since the last thing we had, which is a bearish divergence. Now, are we going to pump more? And on that pump, are we going to create more bearish divergence, right? That's going to be the question. Now, we do got to wait for Sunday to develop for us to be able to answer that. We're not going to be able to answer that right now. But for now, we don't have anything else besides this old bearish divergence, which moved us to the 20. And again, market conditions still feel extremely bullish, at least for market cap. Bought at 63.68. Let's go and check out the price of Bitcoin. All right. So you go here first. Bitcoin, $62,000 to $62,028. Look, we're still out of this area. We have not quite hit and found support, but we did move down. We're below that 20. We're trying to reclaim it right now. Not bad. Not bad. I was really hoping we're going to hit that 20 and try to bounce from there, right? Try to create some kind of divergence, some hidden bullish or something. We don't have anything here on the daily. At least not here. We're still on track to probably go and hit this target at $66,908. All right, let's go and check here the corn. So we'll see. All right, the corn here on the chart that we usually look at. Where are we at, man? Not a lot happening, right? Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high, last thing, bearish divergence. Moving down above 61,195 after coming down here on the daily, sorry, in the 1 hour. We're gonna see that we hit that 61,080 or whatever that they're 61,800, whatever the target was there that we have on the 1 hour chart. We're still good. We're getting above that 20, which is fine, but we don't have anything else developing. That negative momentum seems to be dying out still. So let's hope that this dies out and we get a pump happening on the weekend. Not the weekend, sorry, next week. So that's going to be what I'm hoping to see here on the corn. We're still consolidating, so it's not super clear where we want to go. We're still in this channel, and we're still floating sideways here. Even if you ignore the larger portions here, right, the larger areas up here. And if I were just to do this here, right, look at that. Most of the moves contained within this zone. Again, I'm not trying to make them be contained within that zone. All I'm doing is just grabbing the length of this candle, and I'm just extending that sideways. And you can see that most of the moves are there. An outlier to the upside that got basically undone on the next candle, then reclaiming that area, right? Then going above and then coming back below into that same zone. So we're just consolidating. That's it. Bitcoin's consolidating. There's no denying it. On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, what do we have? All right, do we have some strong bullish divergence? I think we do. How about we do? All right, let's check this one here, man. Look at this. Ooh, nice. Here we go. Right on. So on the 4 hour, we're having this bullish divergence, right? Potential fraction to the upside. Starting to rally, getting above that 20. Very nice. Getting above 61,195. Very, very nice as well. So, Bollinger Band's tight, yeah. Had a low, positive, had a low. Not a lot here. Neutral 54.30. You said the Bollinger Bands are tightening on the daily. Yes, they're tightening. They're still in a range, right? The lower portion is 59,000. The upper portion is 64,900. I mean, we're still in a range, so it's still good. Waiting for something to happen. Here, we're also getting some kind of tightness in the Bollinger Band. It's not super tight. Let's go to the 1 hour. So wait, the reason that we're pumping, right? Bullish divergence is strong. 1 hour chart for the corn. It is a weekend. It is a weekend. I need to look at volume on the daily, though. I have not been tracking volume lately, which is something I should usually look at. But anyways, here in the 1 hour, look high to low, this is starting to create some hidden divergence, and that's going to put pressure on the price. That might make us here do a U-turn, try to count back down a bit, right? We're also coming in lower, less of that momentum, and here we're going higher, right? So this is what worries me, that hidden divergence with data potential moving down, maybe stagnation. We're at 62,000. Man, if we do go down, again, target 61,195, then the 20 moving average at 61,110, and then below there, 60,801. So that's what I'm looking at, right? All right, so I got to do this here real quick, guys. Just give me one quick second. Now I gotta go and say that we're live everywhere. I just got the thumbnail in, so thank you very much, Alex. I appreciate it, man. You do some awesome work here, helping the channel with the thumbnails. That's freaking awesome. Here we go. Let's get this thumbnail in, and then let's go tell everyone that we're live. There we are. Awesome. Let's go say on Twitter. Yo, Twitter, guess what? We're live. Yo, Discord, guess what? We are live. There we go. There we go. Right, let's keep rolling here. So again, bearish divergence hidden, potential for moving down. That's it. Hidden bullish divergence here, or sorry, not hidden, strong bullish divergence here for that. We're starting to get that rally going on, right? So whatever trend we could have spotted here, trend resistance. And I'm going to highlight here in a second. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Whatever trend line resistance we would have had, we've broken it, right? We've broken it. We could have said that we had something like this, maybe even like this. Yeah, we're breaking it. That means we're going short-term bullish. Now we're starting to hit this divergence that is bearish. It's going to certainly put pressure on the price, and with that, we might look for a small movement down. So on that note, it's going to be here sitting at 61,994 right now, going down a bit. Still 0.71% to the upside. Not bad, not bad for the day. So let's go check out Ethereum. Before I do that, let me go through the chat. I seen some of you guys being here, but I didn't actually go through and say, hi, how's your fever? Cheers, my friend. Thank you very much. Bro, let me know if you're still interested in that painting I've completely forgot about it. For some reason, I just saw your name. I remember that. But let me know if you're interested on the painting, so I can tell the artist whether or not you still want that. Prepare for war. Good evening. BL, hi. Bring facts, rockets. And then Bitcoin Jake says chicken egg. I guess Amazing not in. So Jake had to put the chicken eggs. Crypto gaming. What's up? HNT, yeah, it's killing it. Oh, Mace here. He put have no clue what that is, man. It looks like a peacock. Volume of Bitcoin on the daily. Before we do this, let's go check out the volume of Bitcoin on the daily, right? Because I didn't and check the volume of Bitcoin. Yeah, it's been going down a bit, but right now it's a weekend, right? So I get what you're saying, that volume is concerning because there's not a lot of volume, but also we're not getting a lot of movement, right? That's why we're consolidating. There's no volume, there's no movement. Once this moves and explodes, right? Look at what happens here. Let's see if I can show you an example here. Look at the volume, right? Had a massive move down, we had volume, then volume tapered off, Bollinger Bands tightened. What happened? Explosive move. The volume started to pick up a bit, not a lot, but certainly a lot more than it was back here. So when we get that move here, we might start to see some of that volume start to pick back up. We'll see volume comes in with the volatility, right? So we're expecting to see some volatility picking up. We'll see how it goes. Let's go check out Ethereum. On the daily, man, we're below, right? We closed below that line. I'm still doubtful whether or not that blue line, either the dotted or the solid one, are the ones that are going to play us to the downside. So we'll see. We're bought at 64.23, right? It's not bad. We could try to rally. We might try to go for that $4,670 mark. We'll see where this is going to lead us, right? And if we do reject this zone, that line, target your downside. 4,276 below there. 4,192. Bought at 64.26. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right. High low, possible. I'll have to go back to Bitcoin in a second, man. RSI neutral. 57.30. Do we have anything here that is bullish? 21.43. 22, right? So slightly more negative momentum. We're gonna zoom in here. We're gonna highlight that real quick, right? Slightly more negative. Anchor in the 4 hour. Make sure you can stick around, not go anywhere else. We don't want it to go anywhere else. We want it to be here, live, where we're at. Hitting bullish, running on that, getting above fib extension, right? Or no, sorry, not fib extension, resistance line, which is fine. It was holding us support. We broke it. We reclaimed it. We're above that 20. Very nice move here. Still above that 20. Neutral at 57.30. Still pointing to the upside. So we might still be looking for more action to the upside still. Maybe that upper portion of the Bollinger Bands at $4,602 will now be about target. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Market Siphon. Take some pre-work. Why always stream when everyone's sleeping? I'm not sure, man. Set up an alert. I'm always live at the same time. Going higher, more positive, higher still. Low, lower, more negative, lower still. Not a lot going on here, bullish or bearish on the 1 hour. Last thing we had, that hidden divergence, right? Broke us down. We don't have anything else. When was this? Was this yesterday? November the 4th. So since November the 4th live stream, that divergence breaking us down. Nothing bullish developing, unfortunately. We don't have a lot to go on. Right now we start a pump, which is good, right? It's going higher, more positive, higher still. We don't have anything necessarily to look at here. Subulon. Looking, trying to figure out if we have any pattern here. We don't have anything on the other stuff on the daily here. We're still having that cup with handle. We're still waiting for it to keep on maturing, right? So we're still looking for a movement to be hit. This move already got hit, right? This move already got hit. So next move to be hit is going to be potentially up here, right? Or was it here? Yeah, up here, right? So 5,200. That's what we're looking for Ethereum. Still doing okay. It's not that bad for Ethereum. On that note, Helium, because Helium's been killing it, man. It's at $37.88. Look at it. It pumped so much yesterday, 11%. Madison, what's up? I haven't seen you in the longest time. Thank you very much for being here. All right, so good stuff for Helium. Remember, yesterday we had divergence. We said we needed to wait for it to confirm whether or not we're going to close higher or not. And I said, the only thing I could do is call it to yesterday. And I said, it's still going bullish because it was going parabolic in the shorter time scales. Remember that on the 1 hour? It's going parabolic. So we're going to look at that in a bit, right? So anyways, coming up higher, more of this positiveness. So we're getting rid of this. We're getting rid of this also here. Look at this. This here, 81.17. This here, 83. So boom, gone, and gone. Nothing bearish, man. Nothing bearish. We're just outside of the Bollinger Band. It's the only thing that worries me. And the fact that we're overbought at 84.22. Let's go check out the 1 hour chart here. Hansi 1 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour. Parabolic. Right, this from the 1 hour. I think I forgot to anchor it yesterday, so we'll just send that back to the 1 hour. But still, when we're parabolic, we were talking about that. Yes, we were looking for some divergence. It pulls back down to a candle, but look at that. It just kept on pumping. It just kept on pumping, and we no longer have it. That's one of the benefits of going parabolic. You're just going extremely bullish. And when you're extremely bullish, bearish indicators fail to play out. We've said that plenty of times here on the channel. So, yeah. Anyways. What? Cool, yeah. Why not? Now we can check it out a bit, right? So higher, and higher. It's all good here. Let's go to the 1 hour. There is no super chat medicine. Donations right now are only accepted through crypto or PayPal. That's the only way you can donate to the channel. So if you really want to donate and you want to put that extra effort of going through PayPal or donating to crypto, you can do that. That'll be freaking awesome. You guys, I appreciate that very much. Jay can probably hook up the links here in a second. We're going higher, more positive, right? And higher here as well on the other side. So nothing freaking bearish on HNT. We have just gone extremely high, extremely fast. So very nice move here. Look at that, coming back down. We're hitting still that curve and we're bouncing on it. I could probably pinpoint this curve better and all hits would probably be within the area, right? So if I go here maybe, and I adjust this curve portion here to somewhere around here, I think. Look at that, spot on hits, hit here as well, and hit here as well. So again, confirming we gone parabolic. Man, is this gonna last? Nothing pumps forever. Even though Helium is pumping insanely high and has gone extremely high, it's flagging, it's consolidating, it's not looking bad. I'm worried about pullback, right? I'm not gonna lie, I'm worried about pullback. So very, very nice. $38, man. Is it still doing good? Bro, I'm happy I'm mining Helium. Kevin, this is me. Thank you very much for the awesome support, man. And for sending me that Helium miner, man. I really appreciate it. It's been awesome to have that. And I've been mining Helium, so very, very nice. Bought at 64.42. That's it, guys. That is it here on HNT, right? Very nice. Nothing bearish. It's still going running. The only thing is it's going too high. It's probably overbought. Not on the 1 hour, but on the daily at least, it's overbought. Highly overbought. On the 4 hour, I think we're still overbought, and that is just going to put pressure on the price, right? It tells us that the current price is not what fair market value for it should be. So with that, we wouldn't be needing to cool off here. Moving to that 20 moving average is still going to be too big of a drop, but it's still in that $32 mark, man. $32.45. It's not a bad price for this, considering that a couple days ago, right? Look at this. Back here on October the 12th, right? We're at like $19. So it's not bad. Arthur, thank you very much for being here. All right, so that's it for HNT. There are other requests that come in. There's one that came in through the Discord, and that was to do KDA, dude. All right. Just because it's you, Gustavo, it's here, but I'm not taking usually requests of coins that are below 200, right? So we're going to look at this quickly, though. I'm not sure if this is below 200. I've never seen it, but we can check real quick. I doubt it's going to be above the 200. KDA. The reason for that, guys, is not that I don't want to look at this project. Oh, 63. All right, cool. Yeah, it is. It is on that. It is in that range. Thank you very much, man. I didn't know it's ranked so high. But yeah, the reason I don't want to look at projects below 200 is a lot of people leave when I do that. But we're doing good. Anyways, let's go. Higher, more positive, higher still. Man, are we creating bearish divergence here? 89, 67, 88. All right, it is. It isn't up 100. I know. I just checked. Thank you very much, Market Type. Market Type. All right, so it's also gone parabolic, right? It's extremely high, extremely fast. 19%, 38%. How much has it pumped in the last couple of days? Let's pick a target here. Let's just go from here. Let's just humor me and say September the 30th. And say, yo, 1,195%. Not bad, right? I have no clue what this is. Where's Craig? I don't know. Anyways, bearish divergence without possibility for moving down. Man, Fips are not going to do us any favors here. I don't think we're going to be able to get anything to the upside. We're going to be overextended on all accounts. So high to low. Right, highest point here, lowest point here. We're already above a 4618. So even if I were to go and try different things that we could use, like fib channels, right? And go, whoa, like this. Guess what? We're outside of those channels. Again, not a lot we can pinpoint for where we're at. We need to get pullback. We need to get pullback consolidation, then we'll be able to fib this a little bit better, man. The only thing I could do is a reverse fib, which usually I don't like because that's not how we fib. But we go low to high now. Sorry. I'm gonna go from the high point here, and then I'm gonna go pick a low point over here, and that's not how you fib. I know that's not how you fib. All I want us to get is targets. We're hitting that 2618 apparently, on a potential movement up. Why is this not the way you fib? Because you don't go from the present to the past. You go from the present to the future, right? You don't go backwards. You go forwards. But it's the only thing I could get to try to give me targets, to get bearings, to see where we're at. So that's why I'm doing this, right? Right on. Cheers, guys. KDA, it's, yeah. 80% retrace in order, yeah. Right. 4 hour, man. It's still going higher, more positive. Dude. 86. 85, all right. From way back here over yonder, you say, yo, guess what? There is some bearish divergence. It's too large of a move, right? I don't like it when they're this large. By the way, tomorrow, if you follow Formula 1, or like the French say, Formula 1, tomorrow, Grand Prix Mexico, right? It's going to be good. This is where in order for sure. Yeah. Anyways, bearish going down. Again, bearish divergence, potential for moving down. Overbought, 85.34. Man, can it keep on pumping? Yeah, it's parabolic. It's just going extremely bullish. I would not be buying right now for two reasons. One, I believe it's gone too high and it's overvalued, so pullback should be in order. So the risk reward right now, you're probably more likely to see a drop than you doubling your money, right? Or even you might get a 10% or 5% if that's what you're going in for. Yeah, it's still a higher risk. It is more likely that this would pull back and start to flag and consolidate than it is that it will double. Can it still double? Yeah, it's crypto, man. It could, right? I'm not gonna say it's not gonna. We've seen that happen before, but I'm not gonna be getting in on account that this has already taken off, right? This train already left the station. If you try to catch a spinning train, you're more likely gonna get wrecked than you are gonna be reaping any benefits from this. Look at that. We're so far away from that curve that it's not gonna make any sense for us to buy in right now. Even on this 4-hour candle, it's just going extremely high. So for me, this would be a no-go, right? And again, I explained why. If you guys want to, you can buy it. But for me, it is a no-go. It's a clear no-buy, man. This is already gone. You can buy it, opportunity missed. 1-hour chart. We're going higher, more positive, and higher here, man. Look at this. 82, 70, 85 over here. Nothing bearish. It can still rally. But again, more likely that we flag or pull back than we are to keep on pumping, right? Yeah, I mean, you can still pump. Like I said, it's bullish, extremely bullish. So I'm going to step over here and say, oh, it's over here, by the way. Bullish, right? We're going bullish. I haven't done this in a while. So anyways, not bad here on KDA. Thank you very much for that. I have not been following with the queue, so I know there's not a lot of chat, so hang tight. I just gotta see if I'm missing anything here on requests. So, Madison asked for XLM. All right, we'll do XLM. And right, we must confirm Matthew. Who's Matthew? All right. All right. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, tomorrow we start normal time. Sorry about that, guys. All right. This Friday we can. All right. Yep. Why not? ADA, sure. All right. So first XLM, then we'll do ADA, right? ADA's flying stable. Yes, we know. Someone asked for this one yesterday, GLQ, right? So look at it coming back down, right? So it got requested a couple days ago. In the 20, coming back down on the 1 hour. Trying to get some pullback on the daily. Very, very nice rally here, right? And then pulling back right now. So we were hitting that 20, trying to go for bounce. Talk about going for 382. And then we're still in that range, 382, 236. Some people requested this. It was just there, so that's why I did it. So again, I'm not going to dive into it because XLM got requested, and that's the one we're going to do right now. All right, so let's get this rolling. This is from another time scale, and it's still coming through. So this I'll send back at least to the 1 hour and the 4, and then we'll determine where it's from. Bearish divergence moving down, nothing bullish happening, nothing bullish still. Below a fib node, I think that's 382. Yeah, 382, and that's gonna be right around here. So I'll just approximate. I will read it. Why not? 36.52 cents. So it's not doing bad. It's just consolidating. Not really a lot happening here on XLM. 4 hour chart, bearish divergence. We broke down on that. We are not creating anything bullish. Lower, more negative, and lower still. Neutral 45.35. So not a lot has been developing. Last 3 candles have been green. There might be some divergence here on this last bit, and where I believe there could be divergence is going to be right around here on the 1 hour. So I'm going to send it back there so I know where I believe there could be divergence. And I'm going to check. Oh, there was divergence on the 1 hour, by the way. We were looking for it yesterday already, right? So we were here at 9 or whenever, here somewhere, because we had divergence from here to here. That was 1, and then from here to here, that was 2, right? And now we still dropped a little bit more. We don't have it against the RSI. We might not even have it against the MACD. So let's just keep this one to here where we had it to yesterday. And we're breaking this area. Remember, we talked about we needed to break this zone, and then once we broke, we're going to go for a move. So this break, we can say it's a fake breakout to the downside. So now we can say that we're actually breaking out, and we're looking for a move at least to the 37 cent mark. It's not a huge move. but we're starting to create some hidden divergence. That's definitely going to put pressure on the price. It's not really performing so well. So what I'm thinking is I might need to shift the way I'm looking at this and say we might not be trading in a falling wedge. It might be a down sloping channel, and we have not broken. Hidden divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Lower, more negative, lower still, right? So nothing here in the short term that is bullish. So on that note, how would I anchor this? Well, the blue lines is where I'm going to be shifting. I might be anchoring there and then still anchoring down here, right? Like this. We're not getting a lot of hit points, so that's the only thing I don't like. So let me try this. I'm going to go with the channel tool here real quick. So I'm going to go like this here and then go. I don't like it. It doesn't make sense like this. So let's go from here and pinpoint down here. Nope. Maybe here. No. It doesn't make sense like a channel. It has to be a wedge. It has to be a wedge. All right. So we're breaking to the upside, right? Falling wedges tend to break to the upside. We don't have to have anything bullish for that break. Just a fake break move to the downside. Now, like I said, I was trying to adjust this, see if we could get better fit for this. But even if I go with this point and this point, we're still breaking here to the downside slightly. Again, it is a falling wedge. It's still there. That's what I'm looking for, at least for a pattern. And that's the move to the upside that I'm expecting to see. So, 1 second, guys. That's it for XLM. There was another request, so I have to go back to it. Making sure I'm not skipping any. So give me 1 second, guys. Elon won. All right. Let's go find Elon. All right, so this is Elon. I know this is not Elon 1, but I just want to see how I did yesterday. Elon, dude, look at it. Damn, it took off a couple days ago. Very nice move there. Elon 1, let's go here. Going down. So Astro Elon got to a 382, rejecting, breaking below at 236. Man, can we fib this? Yeah, we can actually now fib this shorter. So from the bottom here to the high point here, let's see where we're at. And that's about it. We're hitting that 618, and that's where we're finding support. That's not a magical number, right? That's the end of the retrace zone. So from here, if we want to bounce, we're going to go up here to 0 or that 382, which is also reading 0. Again, not the best chart to look at it, but is the only chart that we have here on TradingView. Hidden divergence, potential for moving upside. We just moved sideways. Not a lot going on. Still below the 20. There's a lot going on here in the 4 hours. Let's go to the 1 hour. Sideways motion. Coming down. So nothing here that is bullish or bearish. Again, Andrew, sorry, man, this is not the best chart. You might want to send me some other charts so I can have it open. But at least here on TradingView, it's not the best to actually go and analyze this. Last thing we had was this divergence here, medium. And so we should have looked for a movement up, right? Which we got here on a gap. But, you know, it's just this is basically just playing a gap. Movements are so sharp, they're not doing that good. Elon, on the other hand, is playing a lot better. It has better movement. So with that, that's gonna be it for this. Someone said ADA, so let's go check out ADA. I think I'm going by the list, guys. I'm not writing down a list anymore. All right, so I think I might have skipped ADA by accident, but here we go. ADA sideways. All right, $1.99. Let's get on the daily. Is it doing something? Nope. Still below 786, right? So it's doing good. Below the 20. Trying to hold. Yay! It feels so weird cheering for this project. High to low, positive, high to low, neutral at 43.43. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Madison, thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. Catch you later, I guess. Tomorrow we're back in a regular stream, so hopefully you'll be able to come in. It's just been an odd week. Time difference, right? Go figure. I don't know, get it why not all the countries in the world change at the same time. I guess that'll be communist of the world, right? That's awkward. Which is weird because when you think about it, in almost everywhere else in the world, Labor Day, it's May the 1st. Just I think in the US it's a different date. As far as I know, Labor Day in the US is on a different date, and the reason for that is it would have been communistic if everyone in the world celebrated Labor Day the same day, which is a stupid thing. So go figure, right? Not sure why Labor Day gets celebrated differently in the US, and then a lot of the countries in the world have Labor Day on May the 1st. The more it stays stable, the more DCA. Yeah, cool, nice. Neutral at 48.83. If it's stable, you're not really DCAing. You're just buying, yeah, you're just buying sideways motion. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour, man. Are we gonna get anything exciting here? Yeah, like Christmas. All right, at a low, positives, positive. High to low. Low, lower, more negative, lower still. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. We're just consolidating. We're moving sideways. Above the 20, that's it though, right? Canada, the first weekend of September for Labor Day. Yeah, I think that's on par with the US, I think. But I think most of the countries in the world celebrate Labor Day on May the 1st. At least that was my understanding from when I was back in college. All right, so see when you figure out and you go here and look Labor Day in the world, it says May the 1st is International Workers' Day, also known as Labor Day in most countries, often referred to as May Day. So May the 1st is around the world. So I was correct. Maybe just a few countries don't want to celebrate it on the same day, right? So we'll see. Right. It's like New Year's, right? We should have different... No, there is different New Year's. China celebrates New Year's on a different date. But Christmas is not necessarily a holiday, though. It is usually granted as a holiday, but it's more of a religious holiday and not so much as, like an Independence Day or a Labor Day or, a Memorial Day or some other kind of country-related or country-centric holiday. Christmas is more like a religious holiday, and it's not communistic because not everyone celebrates Christmas. Some people celebrate Hanukkah, some people celebrate Kwanzaa, some people celebrate something else. So that's why Christmas is not communistic, because not everyone's celebrating Christmas, although it lands on the same day. But it doesn't apply. Sorry, Market Siphon, your example is tossed out the window. Canelo bought the fight, or is that today? Yeah, it's today, right? Yeah, I know. Oh man, I forgot there was to be a fight tonight. Where are they fighting, man? Vegas? Prepare for war. That was a fight we should have gone for, man. See, Canelo fighting. That would be fucking awesome. Oh, by the way, I also got all my vaxes, so I can now travel international. Yay. Where's he fighting? He's fighting Caleb Plant. Where's that fight at? Where are they fighting? MGM? Yeah, they're fighting at the MGM Grand. Oh, that would have been an awesome fight to go to. Hell yeah, dude. Am I magnetic? What? Why are you asking if I'm magnetic? I get things to stick to me. Not necessarily magnetic things, but... See, I could get stuff to stick to my forehead. Which I think is like a superpower or something. What the fuck? What kind of question is that? We had tickets for that? Oh, bro, that would have been a good fight to go to. All right, let's keep rolling here, man. I think we've gone through all the requests. Sorry, guys, if I missed something. If I missed a request, please let me know. Are you a magnet? Why are you asking if I'm a magnet? What the f***? Why is this the craziest thing ever, man? All right, type 1 if you believe I'm a magnet. Type 2 if you don't believe I'm a magnet. I'm not even sure why you guys asking if I'm a magnet, but we'll figure it out, right? Crazy, dude. Elon? Regular Elon? I think I took a quick pick at Elon. I think Elon 1 got requested. I'm not sure if Elon was also there. We could do Elon. Elon! Here we go. Oh, we got 200 messages. Look at that. Ain't that great? All right, on the daily. Elon. Doge Elon Mars. Going to the moon. I'm kidding. It came back down to that 236. Close right spot on there. Opening, trying to move up. Next target will be 100% high again if it wants to go back up. And that is going to be a pretty good pump. At least from where it started today, we should be looking at around 29% rally. Not a bad move. But nothing bearish. It's just right now, the other thing that could happen here, by the way, guys. Because I'm not going to just talk about the upside. Right? We're going to talk about what realistically could happen. Oh no, I highlighted something. I need the pencil tool. Here we go, brush. The other thing that could happen here is come down here, pump again, come down here, and then pump again, and then come somewhere around here. Not necessarily in that time scale, but you know, consolidation, right? We start consolidate here into a triangle. So there we go. That's also a possibility for this. Steve, you gotta reply. Why? Oh. This is what people were talking about with the vaccine. All right, I got it. It wasn't coming through, so finally came through. I got the comment. Yeah, no, I'm not magnetic. I think I'm getting my third eye though. Right, I'm getting the Bitcoin eye. Like, the Bitcoin eye. He's got the Bitcoin eye. The eye of the Bitcoin. That should be a song. They should revamp the eye of the tiger to name it the eye of the Bitcoin. All right. Anyways, 4 hour hidden divergence, pumping that. Positive is positive, high to low, neutral, 55.28. Nothing on the daily, still consolidating. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right. Low to high to low, bearish divergence strong with that. The possibility for action to the downside. Look at this. It's hitting some resistance and it's pulling back down. I mean, there's really not a lot going on right now with this. It's kind of like stagnating. But, you know, that's the whole point. That's what we want to find. Stuff that's stagnating. That's what's going to move eventually. So there is strong bearish divergence. That was going to be suggesting a movement down, though. That's the only thing we have. You know, this larger move. Where's the target? 50% retrace here on the fibs that we have here on the shorter time scale. So we should be going for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and then 169. And then below there, 5 zeros and then 166. That will be the next target to downside, right? Oh no, he got full maxi mode. Pad. There we go. Alright, we're laughing at you, joke. Prepare for war. Guys, this is the awesomest crypto community out there. Thank you very much for being part of it. Thank you for making this freaking streams amazing. That's awesome that you guys are here. By the way, if you're enjoying the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? This is So Crypto, the most awesome crypto community out there. I'm General So Crypto, Chart Martin, commander of the So Crypto enterprise, whatever we're gonna call the ship. I can't remember what we had agreed on. Major pumpish is not in. Major dumpish is not in. Private pumper is also not in. No one is here, man. No one that can help rally the coins is in. So, I guess we're going to stick around and just keep on doing technicals, right? Some coins have pumps, so I guess, you know, major pumpage is over there. But most of the coins are taking a chill. Are mostly taking a chill. The chill pill. Bitcoin up almost 1%. Yeah. It's moving up a bit. It still has bearish divergence. No. It's what it is, right? I mean, not like we can make stuff up. It's what it has. That's it. Go to the 1 hour. Sorry, Ethereum. Oh no, Ethereum's also trying to rally. Look at it, man. Look at it. It's great. For some reason, when I was doing that voice, it reminded me of Austin Powers. Get in my belly. I love my baby back, baby back, baby back. It's a good day, man. It's a good Saturday. I had a blast so far. So, what else, guys? What else? Let's see what else is moving, guys. Let's see what else is moving. We haven't done Shiv, and Shiv was one of the coins that was doing stuff yesterday. So, let's go check the Shiv out of Shiv. Here's Shiv, 0.407578. So again, consolidation. You can look at this right in the 1 hour. Look, it's consolidating. Yeah, I can check a crow in a second. Coming back down, hitting that 20, bouncing, hitting that 236 rejection. Oh no, the moves we called for, they're there. Great. So remember this stuff yesterday, right? Hit spot on, close at that 236. We talked about this move happening. If where do we get above that 20 and get above that 382? Went for it, then resistance, and I said if we resist, we might be coming down here. Am I right now with what we're seeing here? Am I expecting to move there? Right now, I believe we're gonna flag maybe. So from yesterday to today, I believe flagging would be in order. Hidden divergence, it's the only thing that we have going on here. With that, possibility for moving up, neutral at 56.57. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Right, low, lower, more negative, lower, still neutral at 48.43. High, low, pop. We don't have anything here. We don't have anything here. Let's keep moving. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, high to low, pop. Low to high, dude. No, low, less negative. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral for 48.67. That's what comes with the turf of consolidation. That's what we got. Stick with it. What's up, dude? You bought more long today. You bought the long today. All right, so Crow. The Crow could dial. That's what we're gonna check out right now. The Crow Magnon coin. Oh my goodness, it's pumped so much. Look at it. It pumps so good. It pumps so good for you. Where is this at? Oh snap! All right, 155% on the last couple days. Not bad. Not a bad pump. All right, it's flagging. It's coming back down. There's nothing bearish. Neutral at 74.27. Can we get better fibs? Yeah, we can actually, because this is already played. We're already recovered to 100%. So let's refib this sucker. All right, let's go to the highest point here. Then to the lowest point here. And look at that. Look at that beautifully. We're above the 1618. Look, we're gonna face resistance, but it's fine. It's fine. It's what we have. It's what it is. Even if we zoom in here a little bit, try to pinpoint that area a little bit better, man, are we gonna be able to get something much closer? I think it's gonna affect it, but well, who knows? There we go there, and that's fairly spot on. Yeah, we're still rejecting. That's good. Yeah, I mean, killing this ridiculous fees. Yeah. So nothing bearish, right? Overbought. That's it. We're going to pump above this area. We're going to make it create some divergence. And then we might be talking about it moving down, but not right now. Here, higher, more positive, higher. Bought at 64.91. Not a lot, dude. Low to high, negative. We're doing more negative. Man, are we going to be creating anything here? I don't even know, man. 00 and then 19, and then 0019. It's moving sideways, and we're going higher. There's nothing bullish there. Bought at 64.91. Let's go to the 1 hour. It's going higher, more positive. From way back here, we can say, yo, bearish divergence. That's the only thing we have. And a very, very large move. Right now, we're consolidating. That's what we have, right? We're starting to flag here. We're gonna talk about that in a second. So the flag. There we go, right? So looking like that. Rejection. Here the move. Going like this. And with that, we have a falling wedge. And that would usually mean that we're looking for action to the upside, my friends. Thank you very much for that. Oh, great. Look at this. Would you look at this? There we go. Oh, when we break to the upside, it's going to be glorious. It's going to get us to 40 cents. We're going to leave it there, man. I know I should change this to blue. I'll do that right now. Why not? So the Crow, it's going to go to the blue here. All right, so that's the move we're expecting to get. This is a resistance line that we need to beat to the upside. And then we have our tightening line on the bottom side, which is our support. And that's it, right? A flag. Let's go back to the corn, which is at 1% now. Oh, look at it. It just keeps on pumping. It just keeps on pumping, man. It's crazy. All right. So if we manage to close higher than this previous high here, right, we're going to be negating the divergence. It's no longer going to have anything bearish because you're going pumping. And then it's going to be good because it's going to be Sunday. And then Monday's going to come in. And we don't know if people are going to try to, we don't know if with it going up on Sunday, people are going to be coming in on Monday and say, oh, I should take profit. You see Elon tweeting about people to vote if you should sell some stock to pay what? Stock on what? He has so many companies. What is he going to sell stock on? Tesla is like, Moon Company, whatever else he has stock on. What? That's crazy. If he sells stocks, wouldn't that count as materializing profits? And then he would have to probably do something else. I'm not sure if that's gonna be what he should be doing, but anyways, Tesla. Oh man, he's starting to belt ship. It's not good, right? It's not good for him. We'll see how Tesla fares, because a lot of their production is done outside of the U.S. So a lot of the good benefits that they could do, a lot of the good stuff they could do with Tesla, and the discounts they were able to give was because they had a government incentive. But now the government's probably incentivizing more for locally built vehicles. So you're talking about more your Fords, your GMs, things that are built in the U.S. are going to get better discounts for producing green vehicles or electric vehicles than Tesla. So Tesla, man, they're going to become a little bit more expensive because whatever they were saving on and whatever money they were getting from the government is being distributed to other companies. And we know Tesla was basically on the green because of all the government backing they were getting. So if they take that away, man, why not sell right now that is doing good, right? I mean, Tesla's going to start struggling, I think, in the future. We'll see. Again, that's just speculation, right? Tesla prices are already rising every week, yeah. By a few thousand. Yeah, right. See what I'm talking about? They're going to lose market advantage. The cars are going to become more expensive. Either they're going to have to manufacture them in the U.S. or they're not going to be able to sell them as cheap, right? Coming online next year. What? Steve, dude, what the hell? All right. Coming online next year. I didn't get the year, but next year, I guess. All right, cool. I got it. Tesla has massive factories in the U.S., Texas. All right, that cool. Yeah, I think they also do stuff in California. So that's how they're going to be able to get the discounts. But I'm not sure how that's going to work, though. Surely a percentage of the parts are going to have to be built in the U.S. Usually that's how it works. For you to be able to call something made in someplace, a good percentage of the parts have to come and be manufactured in that area. If you're getting areas, just things that come from all over the place, and you're just putting in the labor, you cannot say it's made in. It's just assembled, right? But it's not made in because most of the parts were made elsewhere. I'm not sure how it's going to apply for the discounts, but we'll see. We'll see again, right? It's going to be interesting to see how this happens for Tesla. All right, the China and German factory for those local markets. All right, we'll see. Not anymore. It's if the factory's unionized. All right. His cars are from the U.S. All right. Is it? Dude, I'm missing out the fight. Let me know. U.S. cars are U.S. only. That's pretty good. That's nice. He might be able to get more discount then. Who knows? The thing is that he should probably be exporting those cars to the other countries as well. That way he will be promoting more construction in the U.S. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens with Tesla, right? Oh, hour changed. Oh my goodness. I know it's a new hour. Look at that. All right. What a special day to be here. It's a Saturday. It's the 6th of November. Year's almost gone. Can you believe that? It's been another year almost. Ain't that crazy? And we've been live here for over 2 years now also, which is pretty cool. 2 years and like 2 months now, or 3 months. Which is freaking awesome, dude. That is something. We have ups, we have downs, we have a new channel. We're restarting it from scratch. Like the phoenix rising from the ashes. Still trying to figure out what to do with the old channel, though. It's still there. It still has a big following, so trying to see what I can produce there while this channel still takes off. Yeah, this year surely flew by, man. This year surely flew by. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, if you enjoy the content here at TSO Crypto, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Join us on the Discord. Links will be they're posted on the top of the chat. All right, that's all I can tell you. So, thank you for being here again. Talk about crypto with your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is TSO Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Pleasure being here with you guys. Remember, all the information for education and entertainment purposes only. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. With all that said, thank you guys for being here. Time flies when you have kids. It surely does. Thanks later. All right, make it shall mean coin. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Guys, thanks for being here again. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of TSO Crypto. Till then. Hey, do. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. Till then.